Warm welcome. This is Markus Termin at the 27th of January 2025. As I'm speaking, the moon is still in the sign of Capricorn, approaching the Aquarius sun for the new moon event upcoming midday on Wednesday from now, 2 days from now. This is the situation. It's called balsamic phase, which is the moon phase in the sign before the moon gets into the new moon position. Balsamic speaks for itself. That's a healing phase. That's a cooling down phase. And the new moon itself is going to be very interesting and very remarkable. Let's have a view on that. This is the new moon chart. You see there, the moon is in Aquarius, having the conjunction with the sun. This is always getting the letter from the king. The king is the sun, and the moon is going to realize in 12 stages what the sun in Aquarius needs to push through, to put it that way. With this new moon, we also have, a lot of astrologers have been speaking about that, the close conjunction with Pluto and Mercury. Pluto and Mercury being connected means this is a real turnaround in the sense of freedom, intelligence. A gate is opening up for individual freedom again, something that we missed for so long. Also, you must remember that we are still in the age of, we're not in the age of Aquarius, because the age of Aquarius is wrong view around. There is no age of Aquarius, but we have an Aquarius energy from the Saturn-Jupiter conjunction at the first degree of Aquarius, and also we have Pluto in Aquarius, so there's a lot of Aquarius energy. And this Aquarius new moon comes along with the so-called stellium in the sign of Aquarius. And not only that, there's a close trine connection building up right now towards Jupiter retrograde, getting the knowledge from back behind, maybe even from the past, do something with the German word of Aufarbeitung or whatever. And this is a nice connection, Jupiter-Sun. This leads to kind of a winning atmosphere. Get out there, get bigger, get more influence in the sign of knowledge, Jupiter says. It might not appear that we are living in the age of freedom, but we have some more years to go, exactly 15 more years to go, to realize that the idea of collectivity and we're going to do it all together. Now it's the Wir, the Germans say, to crawl back into an atmosphere that starts with a big F in the first syllable, to put it that way. No, it's not true. We are not marching towards the new Wir, but we are on the dawn of the age of individual freedom. There's more to come. We have 15 more years to go with that. So this is just the beginning of the show. We could put it that way. First square position in between Jupiter and Saturn. We are over that, and now comes the unfolding to the full blossom of the idea of freedom again. So this is all about that thing. And Mercury being close connected to Pluto means that is really going to be a change. This is really going to go deep. I'm not pointing out that those people in charge are out of oligarchy and good persons now and all sent from God and things like that. That's probably not 100% true, and we're not marching towards paradise, and there's not even an idea of how we are going to reconstruct our societies to more personal freedom and more personal responsibility again, but there will be a way. Of course, a lot of institutions have to go away, like the WHO, you know. A lot of 3-syllable organizations will follow the next 2 years. They will make no sense at all anymore. But I said that before. This is the interesting look at the new moon. What about you personally in your chart? The question we have to ask ourselves, what is Aquarius in your chart? Where is Aquarius landing in your chart? What's the Aquarius bay for you? And if we find that in your personal chart, we can say more about the impact of this new moon. Remember, we are still in the age of prediction of the opposition in between Gemini and Sagittarius, which will hold on so long until the next new moon in the sign of Pisces it's going to be. But we're still in the age of unfolding knowledge, getting out all the information, combining it to new wisdom, you know. Is it possible to make it through political parties, or is it all just wasted time? Things like that. A lot of discussions out there. Anyhow, we must not go into politics. We can ask ourselves, what is Aquarius? What is the sign of freedom, of individual freedom in your own chart? If you want to look that up, why not connect to the genius German astrologer? You can do so with the email address up there. Mind the DE at the end, because this is a German blog. Thank you for listening today. It's the 27th of January 2025. You're listening to Markus Termin and the Astrologisches Stundenbuch.